So guys, after you receive your VPS details in your email, this is how it's gonna appear. Okay, I have to cover some sensitive details because this is an example video. All right, so you receive something like this from the VPS provider. The title is going to be new VPS information. You're gonna receive a couple of emails from them about your payment and all that, but the one with the title new VPS information is where your main VPS details will be. Okay, so once you have this, then you go to you take these details, for instance, and take them to your RD client. You'd have downloaded your RD client or remote desktop. We have couple of different remote desktop you can get from your Play Store or your Apple Store. If you want, you can get it on your computer, on your Windows computer as well. But to make it more convenient, so you can have access to your cloud PC at any time, you should get it on your mobile phone as well. So in this case, let's go to my RD client. Okay, you can see I have a whole number of PCs. So when you come here, you go to add PC. Okay, if you are new here, it's gonna be empty, of course. You go to add PC and you click on add PC, then you where it says IP address, that is where you copy this IP address and put it right there. Okay, you put your IP address here, then after that you come down here and select here and go to add user account, and you go to your email again. The username is administrator. Okay, then you put administrator. For instance, you put administrator here, and the password, you go to your email, they've given you the password, you copy the password and you put it here as well. Okay, whatever the password is, you put it there. After you are done, you click on save. Okay, when you click on save, oh sorry, this is just an example. When you click on save, it's gonna show something like this when you are done. An example, something like this. Okay, let's take this particular VPS for example, something like this. After that, you can just come here and you see this is where all your bot setup will be done for you by the management. Right now, you don't do anything here. Okay, the management will take care of that. Okay, there are a couple of videos on the YouTube channel you can follow to know how to get everything started from A to Z. All right guys, okay, and that is how you get your VPS, and that is how you put it in your remote desktop or your RD client. Okay, remote desktop is just like a PC. Let me show you the background. When I minimize whatever stuff I have been opening here, you can see it, everything is just like a PC. Okay, I use my hand, and this is actually my mobile phone, but it's just like a PC. You can control it and do a lot of things with it. Yeah, so that's it guys. Take advantage and let's print more money. Stay blessed.